Here guys, here we come. It's starting the snow. Look the ground. It's not heavy yet, but maybe later gonna heavy. Snow is no cold. Guys, the real snow. It's really snow, but it's not very thick, but thick enough. But I think tomorrow morning is gonna be thicker than this one. I'll show you more videos for snow tomorrow morning. Okay guys? It's getting heavy guys. I mean thick. Hi guys! There! It's thicker a little bit. Look. We're thankful this year we have a little bit of snow. Even it's not very thick.
No, we might get an inch or two. It's a good solid. You can't make a snow angel in there, but it's Louisiana snow, which is very rare for us.
I'm gonna make a snow angel tomorrow morning if I still thick.
So pretty cool. It's getting on your car a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
So
It's really snow, guys.
nice snow. Eat.
It's cold. Here, guys. This is what we get, I think. It looks like I still have snow is a little bit. Not much. I hope it's still gonna stay tomorrow. We still have a little bit. And look at that. Not very thick, but it's white enough. It's not very clear, but tomorrow is gonna be, if gonna stay tomorrow, it's gonna be looking nice tomorrow. It's very special snow is here guys, because we did not get snow every winter here. Here guys, we have a dusting snow. Dusty snow. It's not that thick. It says they're gonna snow more today. Look. It's pretty. Says it's gonna snow more today, but hope so, because I'm not working, so I don't have time to play. Wait, my baby is still alive. Look at that guys, it's pretty. It's pretty, it's white everywhere. You can see properly, but it's really pretty. I mean, because it's not that thick. Look at that house. Look at that guys. It's white over there. Wait. Look at the house. The roof is white. It's more pretty here, guys. Look. Look at that guy's house. Look at that tree, it's so white. Look at that roof. Look at that roof. It's so white. Look our trees, guys. Look at that roof, it's so white. Maybe our roof here is white too, look. I hope we're gonna snow more today. Look that guys, our roof. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next vlog.